What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a pin for your chat history on Facebook Messenger. Security and privacy are paramount, so let's dive into how you can protect your messages with a PIN code. A PIN code in Messenger's end-to-end encryption is essentially a 6-digit password you can create to add an extra layer of security to your encrypted messages. This PIN is crucial if you need to restore your old messages on a new device. It acts as a key to access messages saved in secure storage on Messenger. To get started, open the Messenger app on your device. Look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner and tap on them. Then, go to your settings by tapping on the profile icon. Scroll down until you find the Privacy and Safety option and tap on it. Within this section, locate End-to-End Encrypted Chats and tap to enter the settings for encrypted chats. In the Encrypted Chat settings, you'll find the Messages Storage option. Tapping on this will lead you to the PIN code options under the Security Storage section. Here, tap on Turn on Secure Storage, and you'll be prompted to either create your first PIN or generate a 40-character code. For simplicity and ease of remembering, I recommend sticking with the PIN code option. Tap on Continue and then enter your PIN. Once done, tap on the Submit button at the top right corner of your screen and the PIN will be created. Now, with this PIN, your old messages are securely backed up and can only be accessed by inputting this 6-digit code. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.